meme stock was in the news yesterday after a major lawsuit in Delaware. The suit suggests that AMC management created the preferred ape shares specifically to circumvent the will of common stockholders. Mark, you've called out AMC management on this show many times before. Are shareholders in the right here, or is ape actually legit?
Probably. I'm not a securities lawyer, nor do I pretend to be. What I will tell you is there were big buyers of March 10 calls yesterday. So there may be some more squeeze on this thing. It was one of the lone stocks that was rallying yesterday. And so, yeah, I mean, there's so much silliness within this meme stock business. The fact that AMC was able to use the memeness to basically stay afloat and recapitalize themselves. If I'm a shareholder, I don't know what exactly I'm complaining about. But this one does look like there may be some more squeeziness ahead based on some of the option volumes we're starting to see and the pop and implied volatility.
All right, Kenny, I want to get your take on this. Although Scanman is dropping the best 3-month CD you can invest in, do you think retailers should be focusing on that, or can we see an influx of retail back into the AMC stock?
Well, we've been talking about this money that came in January. These people are about to get their asses kicked again. So they're not going to have any money. So like I said, this is put up or shut up this week. And if we roll over, I think we have an easy another 10 to 12 points on the downside on the Qs. And it could happen as soon as the next couple of days with the NVIDIA report. So again, I am not going the Shah move that we were crushing everything on January. These mean people, they're going to overstay their welcome again. They're probably still in Carvana as the stock's dropping off the earth. They're probably still in Palantir. Palantir represents that type of stock too. Even though Palantir shouldn't be a meme stock, it is. You had
it is,
750 got you 1030. We all got blinded by that, thinking it was going to go to 40 or something, or even 12. And look where it is now, right back to 850. So again, liquid and loving it is where I remain. I'm just a trader, and I'm not putting on call spreads right now. I'm not doing anything other than that. And my portfolio is down to one contract in BTU. So that's all I got.
I think that BTU and RIG are going to be some big players today. And we do have some more volume profiles by request. So what'd you say? You love RIG?
No, I like the RIG. But yeah, look, I mean, if you guys are trading this morning, even the PAN-W, I know this is a frightening stock for most of you. But if you're just trading around VWAP and trading around price, look how beautifully controlled. We've used that word yesterday. This market was controlled yesterday. It was an orderly, disgusting, awful sell-off. But it was just, like Mark was saying, there was just no buyers. It was like the buyers just stepped back and they said, all right, you guys, you could have the market today. And it just drifted. This is a stock that's just, it's chopping around. But if you're navigating it with price, it held to 50, held to 50, buy it. Breaks the VWAP, pops $1. Next thing you know, consolidates up there, breaks back under. You could buy it here, sell some here, sell some here, sell some here. And next thing you know, you could short it right back to where it came from. So far, so good. As long as there's a little bit of volume and you're trading VWAP and price, you'll be on the right side of the trade. I'm not doing these trades right now. I'm just going to wait till these ranges get violated in the regular session and see if we get a bigger move. But these are 2-point moves right there. So again, if you're trading VWAP and the money line with us and you're just staying focused on who reports, it's been a great way to trade. And so far, so good. And that's where we're going to remain.
We're going to jump from PAN-W to AMC again, get into some volume profiles by request. I know Sean was checking this one out. All right, Sean. So I understand you're looking to short AMC. AMC has been a little finicky. We are flirting with this thin zone, which could take us up to $7. And if you were looking to short it, you also have this major area of support here. So you're not going to get too much out of this one, just about, a point. If you're looking to short a point, you can get into it. But why when something like 2Play is looking at CWH, which broke below the point of control and is also breaking below this value area. So as we're breaking below here and these two key areas of resistance, and you also have this node here as well, I would be shorting this on any sort of attempt to rally. Also, we got to take a look at TJX. This is one that we discussed on Trade the Close yesterday. CJ is somewhere fist pumping, really excited about TJX, suggested to short this one and got into a short at the closing hour. TJX rolling over, big thin zone to the downside here as we are looking to break this area, and a downside in TJX 72.57. Hey, there you are, CJ. CJ, nice call there. And I got to give a shout out to Mark. Hey guys, who cares what the market's going to do in the next few days when you could be trading the close? And Mark absolutely crushing this. Mark, I want to bring you on real quick to go over this trade because I mean, your instinct to, we didn't have a bombshell. Your instinct to take to go short at the end of the day was absolutely epic, with our later bombshell confirming that and bringing all of our members into profit, bigger profit territory. So Mark, that was awesome. Shout out to you and shout out to CJ on Trade the Close. You get it all there.
Nice.
Now, Mark, yeah, it was awesome, man. That was just great. That was epic trading. Mark, Sean Dees is looking to short AMC. I'm seeing AMC kind of in neutral territory. To play is looking at CWH. No? Yeah, you agree?
Don't short AMC.
See in the chart saying it as well.
60,000 of the March 10 calls traded yesterday. 20,000 of the 7s, 15,000 of the 9s. They're buying up every upside option they can. The ratio of calls to puts on that thing are telling us we got a potential short squeeze happening. Let me give you the stats here. Yeah, calls outpaced puts in AMC by a good 1.2 to 1, but it was big institutional buys. These were not retail traders buying these. We were seeing 10,000 lots of 10 calls going on. So listen, I'm with you that I think this thing is going into the ground eventually. But this is like catching, you want to actually push the falling knife lower. You don't want to try and anticipate when the falling knife is going to start to happen in AMC. Because what happens is the implied volatility goes up and up and up. And then when you buy a put and it starts to drop, they crush the implied volatility so much that you end up not making any money on your puts. And that's the nature of a short squeeze. So don't short AMC right now. Give it a rest. There'll be an opportunity, but it is not today.